So, what is ser in Spanish? Ser is a Spanish verb that means to be and is used to describe permanent states, characteristics, or situations. So, two examples are, let's say, people. Let's say I say, soy alto. Soy alto means I'm tall. And es deportiva. Es deportiva means she is sporty. Next, let's say places. Ella es de Rumania. Ella es de Rumania. That means she is from Romania. So the word ser is to be. Ser is to be. For example, yo soy. I am. Tú eres. You are. Él, ella o usted, usted es. So, él es, he is. Ella es, she is. O usted es, you are. Here we have nosotros somos. We are. Or nosotras somos. Nosotros with the O would be the male version of we are, or nosotras, feminine, nosotras somos, we are. So here are examples of ser. It says uses and examples. So it says, say description of something. I am short. You would say, yo soy baja or bajo. Yo soy bajo. I am short. The word soy, that means is, right? Is short. Yo soy baja. I am short. His occupation, él es el gerente. He is a manager. Él es gerente. He is a manager. Next we have characteristic. Ella es agradable. Ella es agradable. She is nice. She is nice. Here we have time. Son las cuatro. Son las cuatro. It's 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. Origin, let's say, we are from New York. Somos de la ciudad de Nueva York. Somos de la ciudad de Nueva York. Next, relation would be, ellos son mis hermanos. Ellos son mis hermanos. They are my brothers. So the word ser is converted into, where it says time, it's converted into son. It's 4 o'clock. In origin, where it says we are from New York, we are is converted into somos. So the word ser is converted to somos. We are. And in relation, where it says ellos son. Ellos son. Where it says son, that is where it's converted from ser to son. They are my brothers. Ellos son mis hermanos.